So I've been to this imaging squirt before.
Yeah?
You go my thing. I've been to this imaging squirt before.
Cause everything splash up.
Yeah.
Club boy. If you see a girl a squirt, say me I turn my bucket.
Yes, I'm in the same clothes because I'm doing 2 videos today. Well, 3 actually. So yeah, I'm in the same shit. Don't pay no mind. I'm just uploading. Like, I'm trying to be consistent. You feel me? So, you too, boy, Guana, yo, Sean. We back here for the 3rd time today, right? Killy just linked me a while ago. Killy probably got paid damn self. When I see this, I go laugh. Him just linked me and say, yo, him dep on him black and for forward. You see me? He says he want to shoot a YouTube video. Him don't know some of the squirt drink. You see? So, I'm gonna pull a prank on him. I know Killy no run certain joke or him no go certain way or he's not about that type of timing. You feel me? But it's a prank, so the fuck? The whole of Chip City. Wanna now watch this? And this me a talk, man. You see me? The juice name Squirt. So me go ask the dog like, me don't know how it go. Me go tell it, me don't know. But I'm gonna ask it some way, somehow, and be like, dog, you ever drink, you know? Like, you ever drink it? Like, or ever, no, I'm not gonna say drink it. I'm gonna say, you ever taste it? Yeah, I'm gonna use that word. I'm gonna say, you ever taste squirt? Yeah, wait, him say. You see me? I'm gonna just catch your reaction. I say, dog, see you never. And then, like, it spray and catch on your lip or it touch your finger accidentally. I'm gonna finesse it. But y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That's all I'm asking for y'all. Just like the video. Subscribe to the channel. And turn that post notifications on. Cause we going up. Feel me? Why me I move. Me no know. But me catch you in that video. I know in the car dark, but you have to bear with me. I don't want him to know it's a prank. Like me I tried this prank authentic real reaction. You see me? So me I go try do the prank on him. No, probably wouldn't stop, lock off the light and probably just turn it on for say, you know, me and the dog a reason, whatever. You see me? So stay tuned. Kinda tastes like squirt.
Yeah. And it's sweeter than the normal drug and put something in them and make it charge.
Imagine squirted?
Sprite?
Squirt.
No.
Yeah, what tried this? Why?
Yeah, bro. You know it's a bigger man thing.
And you want to get let and squirt on it. Spray and catch you.
No, none never catch me about make girl squirt.
So I've been to this imaging squirt before.
Yeah?
You go my thing. I've been to this imaging squirt before.
Cause everything splash up.
Yeah.
Club boy. If you see a girl a squirt, say me I turn my bucket. Yeah, I want me I turn my back, man.
You think that bad? I feel that way, you know. Feel like you're wrong.
I would even say it wrong. If you catch it, just catch your butt. You get me? If a man just put him head there now.
No, me never put
me just say if a man put him head there now and I do him no fear I do that. Different. That one total different story. But if I catch it now while you at work and she go out there herself now, that one different thing, is it?
Yeah.
But me, I turn my blood clot back. I'm gonna catch my back, you know. Yeah, man, when I see mama start spray like bus pipe, man. I told me back for the blood clot.
So in the future, you would try it?
No, sir.
Why? That's not for you.
No, sir. Yeah, you know what's good girl me make turn a freak?
Feel like me like it still. No joke.
No, you don't like that.
Yeah, I like it. It tastes good.
No, sir. Me not, bro. I make girl near my cup, man. Nothing wrong with it still, no, bro. Cause, hey, so, even the man them there at work.
They do it.
Yeah, them talk them thing there, bro. But what? But just listen to them. You get me? I just listen when the matter, oh, I eat pussy, I did it. I just listen. I not burn out no man or whatsoever. You get me? Them know say yard man do them thing they still. So I don't really need to burn them out because I feed them thing that.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
Cause him a talk, you know. Cause him a talk to me, you know. But me a listen. But me not really. I try to entertain him. You know him look over there? Try to entertain him cause, oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
You understand how me not do it? Oh no.
I not gonna.
You get me? Just listen to him, make him talk. She have all them problem there with me. Cause she suck more than them thing there, bro. But me never return the favor. Never. You get me? I tell her, so listen me, I say, man a bumbuckler, bad bumbuckler, man. Here, if you want to please me in another way there, that is your decision. But me can please you in many different ways.
Yeah.
You get me? Them little thing they may explain to her. Me no burn up, bro. Me no burn out no man, no, bro. Cause man, them are themselves, you know, for me can't control a man if you say, yo, don't do that or what you like. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Or what you like. So for you like it, bro, you get me? I can even get even more woman with all them little things that you understand? Nothing wrong. I just see her thing. You see it? Yeah, but if you catch it, just catch it, bro. I just life, bro.
I feel that way, dad.
Yeah, but
you need to tell somebody.
No.
You need to tell one of the dog over trust, you see it, car.
Yeah, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong
Feel that way.
with it, you know, bro. You get me, but me just not do it. You get me? If you catch me, catch me.
Listen to that time.
You come with this YouTube prank bumbuckler thing.
You know, long carry on. Long claw.
Yo.
I need a record see away. Well done. Yo, you dog.
No, what your fuck?
You have to catch it, dog.
Bro.
You have to catch it, dog.
Yeah. You catch me all over, bro.
Nothing there, bro.
So, yeah, fuck reader you. It's a good one. It's a good one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I give him credit for that one.
That dog probably not dog man, he must say, yo.
Yeah, man.
The dog really.
Although I'm not burn you out.
Yeah. But people, I'm telling you already in the intro, we're not going to wear it. You see me? If a girl want to do it, them do it. But we're not going to wear it.
Yeah,
but I drink that dog still. You see it? You know, say I want bomba, baby, so I'm go. I'm get a Dr. Pepper. And we are cut, me and mommy. And them say, mommy said, Emma give a cake. So I'm sorry, right? He hold off a cake and carry home.
Yeah.
And mommy take up one and do. I when me reach home, for fuck up the cake and the juice, you know what I say? What you bomba?
People, the dog catch me. I tell you. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
He catch me, man. Believe me, man. Because in my head, me even have no idea. I say, I'll fuck him and fuck himself right now. You see it?
Yeah.
We just have work with the flow and show we are real friend and thing. We are all a reason. We are a reason. You understand? Yeah. You see, but we never have no idea and never think about none of them things. They say, yo, a prank him.
Look like a go on.
I say it go. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose.
You don't gonna start film thing too. You see me? So just go over there, go subscribe, me go put him page somewhere on the screen. I know me I put it yet.
Yeah,
but me go put
in
it
the description.
And the link in the description. You see me?
That is it.
So just go over there, go subscribe and make him know say yo. I mean you say no over there. You see?
That.
That to like, comment and subscribe and tune in for the next video.